Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be showing you how I clean my makeup brushes, so let's go and get started. Okay, so I'm basically just going to show you a little example because I've already cleaned all of my makeup brushes. So I would normally get a paper towel, and this makeup brush is dirty. You don't want to do this more than once. I just use this tiny little travel sized container for my teeny brushes. And I get this Cinema Secrets makeup brush cleaner. Get a little bit of that because this brush is not that big. I get some rubbing alcohol to sanitize, but you don't want too much because that makes your brush hairs fall out. But you want to have a good amount in there. You don't want to have like a baby amount. And then you just kind of rub it on a paper towel. You don't want to go over the same spot more than once. Be an easier way to show you, just a back and forth brushing motion, not too hard because you still want to be gentle with your brush. And then sometimes I change it to a swirling motion, which gets a little bit more off. Look, now all that concealer's off and I can actually see my brush. Each makeup artist has a different method, so obviously mine is going to be a little bit different. I learned this method from my mom's friend. It's just a good sanitation process, but then also the owner of my makeup school told me not to use rubbing alcohol to clean my brushes because it makes the hairs fall out, which is true. The hairs of my brushes have fallen out while cleaning them before. The other makeup artist recommended to me is that I get my brushes. Now I might actually start doing both of these. So you just use like a really gentle soap, like baby soap or something like that, and room temperature water, and you basically just soak them in the water. I don't have baby shampoo, so I used this gentle body wash that I use. It's like the Aveeno fragrance-free body wash. I've never done this before. If I'm not supposed to use body wash, then oh well, because we're just going to try it. I haven't tried this method before, but it'll be fun. This one's like the mini one. That's how I got this travel size. But if you get the full-sized one, there's like this big, huge. The brush cleaner does get pretty expensive, but honestly, like if your brushes are gross, then I would definitely get it. I have them all laid out, and yes, they do look a little bit iffy now, but they do actually dry because this is what they look like when I clean them, like when I sanitize them with my stuff. So I think that worked pretty well. Those are the two methods that you can use. I've seen several people clean them with baby soap and warm water. I've seen other people use the other method too. So just try out whatever you would like, and maybe you'll find the method that works for you. You definitely want to clean your brushes because this is what a dirty brush looks like. You don't want to use that on somebody else's face for sure, or even yourself, because this is what a clean foundation brush looks like after. It definitely makes a huge difference. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and if you don't need to subscribe, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and happy brush cleaning. Bye.